Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. So first of all, I want dear students you to introduce yourself shortly.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Alia Tanveer. I am from India, but currently I live in France. I am 11 years old. I study in 6th class. My school name is Ecole International Hospital. I want to become a doctor. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Mania.
Hi everyone, my name is Manya Chauhan. I am from Uttarakhand in Dehradun. I am 7 years old. I am studying in class 3rd. Nice to meet you all my friends from different states and countries. Thank you, sir.
Surbhi.
Hi everyone, my name is Surbhi Ghosh. I am from Jodhpur in Rajasthan.
Hi everyone, my name is Divya Nusra. I am from India in Andhra Pradesh. I am also a student of Divya English Academy.
My name is Sarchana Kushwaha. I am from Chhattisgarh, Dantewada.
Janvi.
My name is Janvi. I am from Madhya in Jabalpur. I am 10 years old.
My name is Asha. I am from India, New Delhi. My name is Jyoti Kushwaha. I am from Chhattisgarh in Dantewada.
General conversation. Mania and Alia.
Hi Alia.
Hi Manya, how are you?
I am fine. What's about you?
I'm good. How was your day?
My day was good. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
Do you have any pet?
No, I don't have any pets.
If you buy a pet, which pet would you like to have?
I like to have a rabbit.
Why?
Because rabbits are so cute and soft.
Do you have any nickname?
No, I don't have.
If you will buy a rabbit, what would you name the rabbit?
I don't know.
Okay. Which animal do you like?
I like rabbit and cat.
Why do you like cat?
Cats are cute.
Do you know how the cat makes sound?
Yes, I know.
How?
Can you tell? Because I don't want to tell.
Meow. Meow.
Okay.
Now you ask me questions.
Do you have any friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend forever is Ananya.
Why?
Because she's Golu Molu and I love her chicks, chubby chicks. She's
Yes.
my best friend. She shares everything with me. And if my work is incomplete or pending, she tells me what to do in it.
Okay. Do you like drawing?
Yes,
Can you draw?
I can draw.
So, can you paint and sketch?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Which is your favorite animal?
My favorite animals are rabbit, dog and cat.
Why?
I like rabbit because they are very fluffy, don't hurt anyone, and they are very playful also. And I love cats because if in our house there is a mouse, the cats run after it and catch it. So that's why I love the cat, and I love the dog because it has a good sense of hearing.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister of 4 years and one younger brother of approximately 10 to 11 months.
What is your brother and sister's name?
My sister's name is Sanvi and my brother's name is Atin.
What really makes you angry?
My sister makes me angry when she didn't give me my toys.
Okay. Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay, how she do?
She do like this. No, I want this. I want this. Then mama scold me. Give it to her. She is smaller than you. Blah, 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 blah.
What is your biggest fear?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question now.
Biggest fear. Do you fear?
Yeah. I fear from the tigers.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good job. Let's clap for them in the online class. Okay. Next, Divya and Surbhi.
I am 11 years old.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from India in Andhra Pradesh.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 1st.
Okay, what is your school name?
My school name is Stevenson High School.
Okay, how long have you been doing in this online class?
For 3 months. When do you wake up early in the morning?
I wake up early in the morning, 7 o'clock.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths and English.
Okay, who is your best friend and why?
My best friends are Dipti, Aswarya, Salu because they enjoy with me.
Okay, how far is your school from your home?
It is 22 kilometers.
Do you like this online class?
Yes, I like this online class.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ashi and Jyoti.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor
Why do you want to become a doctor?
because it is my dream.
Okay. Why are you joining this online class?
Because I am learning English.
Okay, who told you about this online class?
My sister,
Okay, and what does your mother do?
my mother is a housewife.
Conversation practice in this video. So tell us in comment how do you feel after watching this video. And you should watch our video except asking questions. That will it be demo classes? Everything you will know after watching these types of videos. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. If you are interested to join this online class, you can join this, and we will practice together. We will learn together, and if you want to join, you can join. Till that, keep watching and keep supporting our channel. Bye guys.